There's a Dragon in Your Book by Tom Fletcher. Did you know that you can have a dragon in your book? Let's see, shall we? Let's see what our dragon looks like. Oh, look, there's an egg in your book. It looks ready to hatch. Whatever you do, don't turn the page. I can't believe you did that. The egg has hatched and now there's a dragon inside your book. Don't be scared. It's a baby dragon. Why don't you tickle a little nose? Tickle, 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 tickle. Shoo! Oh no, our baby dragon is sneezing because we've tickled her nose. Oops. The dragon accidentally sneezed a fire into your book. We need to put it out quickly. Help dragon blow out the flame and turn the page. Oh no, your dragon didn't blow the fire out, she blew more fire. Carefully cover the flames by turning the page. That should put them out. That's no good, the fire is getting bigger. Don't get too close. If only we could think of a way to put out this fire. Can you think of a way? That's it. Let's use your imagination to put the fire out. Imagine a great big water balloon right in the middle of the next page. Make sure it's full and ready to pop. Ready? Perfect! Now use your finger to pop the balloon and get ready for the... Splash! Hooray! You put the fire out. Give the dragon a high five. You have a great imagination and dragon must be a little hungry now. Why don't you use your imagination again and think up a yummy treat for her? How about a great big cone filled with a triple scoop of scrummy, yummy ice cream? Okay, it could be ice cold, chocolate and strawberry flavoured. Wow. Ooh, and don't forget the sprinkles because every ice cream needs some sprinkles on. Wow, that looks delicious. Yum. Oh, well, dragon must be tired after all that adventure. I think it's time for her to fly home. She looks very full. She's going to need some help taking off. Flap the book up and down like giant dragon wings. Nearly there. Keep flapping. There she goes. Goodbye, dragon. Wave goodbye and turn the... Hang on a second. What's this? Oh, look. More eggs. Whatever you do, don't turn the page. Uh-oh. I think it's time to close the book carefully. I wonder what kinds of things you might find in your books. Have a read of your favourite books and see if you can bring those stories to life as well.